In front of me is iPhone 17 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. From my own experience, I know that selecting and deleting multiple photos at once is the best way to clean up your Photos app. And it saves a ton of time. So to do it on this iPhone, begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Collections at the bottom left corner. Now tap on one of your albums from which you want to delete your photos and hit Select at the top right corner. To choose Select All at the top left one. As you can see, all of my photos were successfully marked. Now, if you want to keep some, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Bin button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, all of my photos were successfully deleted. Now, if you deleted one by a mistake, don't worry, you are not the only one. You have 30 days to restore it. If you wish to do it now, go back to Collections and scroll all the way down. Now hit Recently Deleted here. Tap on View Album to enter your passcode. And to restore any of those photos, hold the chosen one and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit Recover to get it back. And to delete it completely, even from deleted files, choose Delete. So sorry. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. You can also click on any photo and decide by using one of those options at the bottom. Delete or Recover. If you wish, you can also hit Select at the top right corner. And then click on all of your photos you want to manage. Following that, use those three dots, also at the top right corner, to decide what you wish to do with your chosen photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!